Hi, we have another pigeon book. It's called The Duckling Gets a Cookie. Duckling is yellow, pigeon is blue, and it's by Mo Willems, and Mo Willems also is the illustrator. So the author writes the story, Mo Willems, and the illustrator draws the pictures, Mo Willems. I do not like the look of that title. That's what Pigeon says. The Duckling Gets a Cookie. Hello, may I have a cookie, please? Oh, thanks. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all those nuts. Hey, how did you get that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it? Politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So you got a cookie with nuts just by asking? Politely. I ask for things all the time. I ask to drive the bus. I ask for hot dog parties. Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. I'll ask for a French fry robot every now and then. I've asked for a walrus. Right now, I'm asking why. Why? Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug. Or I'll ask for some more story. I can't count the times I've asked for my own personal iceberg. I asked to stay up late. Oh yeah, I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I ask for? What do you think? Do you think? No! He doesn't seem very happy. It's not fair. Duckling gets everything. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? Remember how we asked? So I could give it to you. And another thing stops right in the middle. How about what? You're giving me that cookie with the nuts. That is so nice. Thank you so very much. Chomp. That was one cool duckling. Chomp. Yes, sir. Bye. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. I hope you liked The Duckling Gets a Cookie, Words and Pictures by Mo Willems. Have a good day.